Namaste students, good morning to all. Last class we have seen Guru Ka Sthan. It is a place of teacher story, first 2 pages. Okay, up to this page we have seen. Today we are going to see the balance story. Before going to see today's lesson, I am going to give you recap once. What is the name of the story, children? Guru Ka Sthan. It means place of teacher. Guru Ka Sthan means what? Place of teacher. What we have to give to our teacher? We have to give respect. We have to give them special place. Okay, listen. The king called the minister. What he said to the minister means, I am thinking of getting education from a learned teacher and enhance my knowledge. Like that the king informed to the minister. Okay, and the minister replied that yes, it's a very good idea, king. You are already fond of studying. You will not only pursue your hobby, but will also be able to take care of your subject. Subject means here kingdom. Okay, kingdom na archi. The king replied to the minister, if you think so, then soon invite an able and experienced teacher for this purpose. Like that the king ordered to the minister. Minister replied, sure your majesty, I will soon make arrangement. Like that he said. In that next day the minister made arrangements. Okay, the king was happy to invite a teacher. Okay, the teacher said, shall I start learning? Like that the king said, as you say, sir. It is the teacher said, it is a duty of, what the teacher taught means, it is a duty of a king to have knowledge of the well-being of his subjects' kingdom. For this, a king must behave in a kind manner. Only a fair king is able to look after his subject well. Like that the teacher said, whatever the teacher taught to the king said to the queen also. And my teacher works, the king one day, the king said to his queen, my teacher works hard to teach me, but I am unable to gain anything. I am not able to understand why this is happening. Okay, like that he said to the queen. Queen also replied to the king that what she replied means, I have noticed that you seem worried on this matter since many days. Why don't you ask your teacher for this, the reason for this? Like that the queen replied to the king, you better go and ask to the king. Like this. Okay, listen here. राजा गुरुदेव सुयोग्य और अनुभवी हैं. गुरुदेव की योग्यता पर सवाल उठाना ठीक नहीं. उनसे पूछना भी कहीं उनका अपमान न हो, इसी बात का डर है. Okay, what the king is telling means my teacher is experienced and highly knowledgeable. What the king is telling, my teacher is experienced and he is knowledgeable also. It does not seem good to question his ability. Okay, whether it is good to ask question to the teacher? No. It might be disgraceful to question him. I am afraid of this. Like that the king is telling. Okay. Tritish Drishya. That means third scene. It is like a drama. Gurudev ka darbar mein pravesh. The teacher enters to the palace court. Okay. Raja. Gurudev ko pranam. Raja here. Raja is telling good morning to the king. Namaste. Okay. King, what he is telling, accept my regards. Like it means telling namaste. Okay. गुरुदेव चिरंजीवी हो, यशस्वी हो. आज आपके मुख पर चिंता की रेखा देख रहा हूँ. मुझे बताइए, शायद मेरे पास आपकी चिंता का समाधान हो. संकोच न कीजिए. Okay, the teacher find out the king has some confusion in his face. Okay, so the teacher asked to the king, may you stay blessed and healthy. He said namaste, no. So he is wishing to the king. He blessed to the king. May you stay blessed and healthy. After that, what the teacher is saying to the king means, today I can see signs of worry on your face. Signs na அடையாளங்கள். உங்கள் முகத்தில் கவலைப்படுறதுக்கான அடையாளங்கள் இருக்குன்ட்டு அந்த டீச்சர் வந்து ராஜா கிட்ட சொல்கிறார். டெல் மீ, ஐ ஹாவ் சம் சொல்யூஷன் ஃபார் யுவர் worry, டோன்ட் ஹெசிடேட். ஓகே, டெல் வாட்ஸ் த மேட்டர். ஓகே, லிசன். ராஜா मन ही मन साहस जुटाकर. ஓகே, த கிங் கேதரிங் கரேஜ், கேதரிங்னா கலெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறது, கரேஜ் in his heart. गुरुदेव क्षमा करें, आपसे शिक्षा ग्रहण करते कई मास हो गए, पर मुझे कोई लाभ नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसा क्यों है? The king, I beg you pardon sir. First என்ன மன்னிச்சிடுங்க. It has been months since I started studying, but to no avail. Why is this so? Okay, I didn't get any knowledge, but you are knowledgeable, you are teaching very well, but I didn't get any knowledge, gain any knowledge. Like that the king is replying to the teacher with fear, with gathering courage in his heart. He told to inform to the teacher. Okay, now the teacher is answering to the king. Listen. गुरुदेव, शांत स्वर में, अमैदिया शांत स्वर ना, इन ए कॉम वॉइस, आप कारण समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, इसलिए परेशान और दुखी हैं. इसका कारण बहुत ही सीधा सा है. आप बहुत बड़े राजा हैं, पर और प्रतिष्ठा में आप मुझसे बड़े हैं, परंतु आपका और मेरा गुरु शिष्य का संबंध है. गुरु होने के नाते मेरा स्थान आपसे उच्च होना चाहिए, परंतु आप स्वयं ऊंचे सिंहासन पर बैठते हैं और मुझे अपने से नीचे आसन पर बैठाते हैं. What he is telling means, the teacher is, Your Majesty, you are unable to understand the reason, that's why you are sad and worried. Okay, I understood like that. The reason behind this is very simple. The teacher is telling why you are not gaining knowledge. The reason behind that is very simple. You are a great king. Okay, you are superior to me in position, okay, and power, but we have the relationship. What relationship? Teacher and student between us. Being a teacher, who has to sit in the upper position? The teacher. And my position must be superior to you, but you take a higher seat, okay, while I sit at a lower position than you. Like that the teacher is explaining to the king. Yes, if you are anything, president, prime minister, but you are learning with the teacher, means the teacher has to sit in the higher position, superior position than you. If you are in any position, no issue, but the teacher should be superior position than you. Okay children, listen here. यही एक कारण है कि आपसे शिक्षा प्राप्त नहीं हो रही है. आपके राजा होने के कारण मैं आपसे यह बात कह नहीं पा रहा था. आज आपने स्वयं पूछा तो मैं कह सका. यदि आप स्वयं नीचे बैठे और मुझे ऊंचे आसन पर बैठाए तो आप अवश्य ही शिक्षा प्राप्त कर पाएंगे. Okay, this is the main reason you are not able to get knowledge. Like that the teacher explained. I was unable to tell you this thing as you are the king, but today when you ask yourself, today you only ask yourself, so I could tell you. If you take a lower seat and make me sit on a higher position, you will sure to get education and gain knowledge. Like that the teacher explained. Yes, this is the only reason behind that. Okay, राजा हाथ जोड़कर गुरु के चरणों में झुकते हुए, हे गुरुवर क्षमा कीजिएगा, मैं नासमझ इतने दिनों तक यह बात नहीं जान पाया और आपसे उच्च आसन पर बैठकर अपने गुरु का अपमान करता रहा. मैं इस अपमान का दोषी हूँ. King, the king now understood. Bowing in front of the teacher with folded hands, he folded his hands and bowed to the teacher. Oh great teacher, please forgive me. What I did, please forgive me. I am really ignorant not to understand this for so long and kept on humiliating you by sitting at a higher position. I am guilty of this misdeed. Okay, he felt very sorry for this deed. Okay. गुरुदेव, उठो पुत्र, तुम्हें अपने भूल का एहसास है। अब से मेरी आज्ञा के अनुसार निम्न आसन पर बैठकर शिक्षा प्राप्त करो और जानवान होकर प्रजा की सेवा करो। द टीचर सेड टू द किंग, गेट अप सन, you realized your mistake. Now onwards, as per my order, start studying by sitting on a lower seat and serve your subjects after being knowledgeable. राजा गुरु को अपने आसन पर बैठाते हुए और स्वयं निम्न आसन पर बैठे हुए, जी गुरुवर, मैं जान गया हूँ कि शिष्य को कभी भी गुरु से उच्च आसन पर तो क्या, गुरु के समकक्ष भी नहीं बैठना चाहिए। गुरु का सम्मान ही ज्ञान प्राप्त करने में सहायक होता है। What the king did means, he made the teacher to sit on a higher seat and himself sit on a lower position. Yes sir, now I know that a student mustn't sit even near his teacher. Yes children, it is good, correct. Leave alone at a higher position than him. Respecting a teacher helps in getting the education. You have to children, you also, you have to respect your teacher, then you will develop in your education. Correct, no? Thank you.